Welcome back, children. In our last class, we have discussed about input devices. Now in this session, we'll go through the output devices. Now let us begin. You see that output devices are devices used to display results after processing. So printers, speaker and the monitor are some of the commonly used output devices. Monitor. Now let us go through the different types of monitors. The most common output device is monitor. It looks like a television, as you all know. The output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. Means whatever you see on the computer screen or a monitor screen, we call it as a soft copy. So basically there are three types of monitors. They are CRT, or we may call it as a cathode ray tube. Next is LCD, that is liquid crystal display. Then comes LED, or light emitting diode. Now let us discuss these three types of computer one by one. First, let us start with CRT. CRT monitors are generally less expensive but consume more electricity. Its biggest disadvantage is the weight and the size of the tube. Now let us see what LCD monitor is. LCD monitors produce sharp images. They have the advantages of being much thinner and they consume less electricity. Then come LED, or light emitting diode. Now LED monitors look more or less same as a LCD monitor. They have better picture quality and are much in demand than LCDs. Speakers. So this is the figure of speaker with headphone. Speakers are commonly used output devices used to listen to music and sound effects from the computers. The purpose of speaker is to produce audio output that can be heard by the listeners. They may be built into the unit system or system unit, or can be connected with cables to CPU. Now comes the printer. It is an important part of a computer system. The print that we get through the printer in a form of a paper is called hard copy. It prints the output onto the paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. The most commonly used printers are, this is the figure of dot matrix printer. Then comes inkjet printer, and next is laser printer. Now let us discuss the three types of printer one by one. Dot matrix printer. The dot matrix printer works like a typewriter and creates the impression by striking on the paper. It is very noisy and do not produce high quality output. They give output only in black and white. Next is inkjet printer. The inkjet printer spray droplets of ink on paper to form text and graphics. It can give output both in black and white and in color. It gives high quality prints. The next comes laser printer. The laser printers uses laser beam and dry ink to print. It prints very fast and gives high quality output. It works like a photocopier, means Xerox machine. It costs more than inkjet printer. Now comes processing device. As we all know that CPU is the brain of the computer where it processes and stores the information. Means it takes the input from the input devices and it processes it and finally it gives the output. So it performs calculation and sends the result to the output devices. It performs all the jobs that we order it to do. It is also known as a system unit. Now, if you look at the figure carefully, the CPU mainly has three parts: memory unit, arithmetic logic unit, and control unit. Now let us see what is memory unit. This unit stores information according to our need. Now arithmetic logic, this unit performs all the arithmetic calculation and logical operators. And finally CU, that is control unit. This unit manages all the operation of computer. That means it controls the input and output devices. So here we end the different types of output devices and the processing devices. Thank you children. We'll see you again in the next class.